Before buying a benchtop router table, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you. But the real buyers are definitely talking about it. The market is flooded with options that all seem the same, but if you dig a little deeper, you'll find some really standout features that make a world of difference. Product number 1: KETIPED Router Insert Plate. First up is the KETIPED Aluminum Router Table Insert Plate. Priced at just $17.74, this little tool caught my attention because of its portability and solid materials. If you want an affordable solution for your routing needs, this is worth a serious look. This can be a game changer for DIY enthusiasts or professionals looking to get the most out of their router. The dimensions are compact at just 4.72 x 4.72 inches, and it fits most electric trimmers and routers, making it super versatile. Plus, the smooth surface helps your workpiece slide effortlessly, which is crucial for achieving precision. With over 100 units sold in the last month, clearly, people are finding it useful. Now, some users mentioned that the fixing holes could be a bit limiting if you have larger routers. Here's the thing though, if you're using standard-sized tools, this shouldn't be a deal breaker at all. This is perfect for you if you're a weekend woodworker looking to add some efficiency to your projects. Skip this one if you have a larger router or need something more heavy-duty. At this price point, it genuinely packs a punch. Now, if that compact design didn't do it for you, the next option offers a bit more heft and stability. Product number 2: Ryoba Universal Router Table. Next up is the Ryoba Universal Router Table, listed at $197.85. This refurbished model caught my eye because it promises the performance of a new unit without the hefty price tag. If you want reliability while keeping your budget in check, this is definitely worth considering. What stands out here is the robust construction, designed to handle various routing tasks with ease. It comes with a generous workspace, accommodating different router sizes, and the sturdy metal frame ensures that your work remains stable, which is key for accuracy. Plus, being refurbished means it's been tested for quality, so you can trust it to perform well. However, some buyers reported that it arrived with minor cosmetic flaws. But honestly, if it's working as it should, does that really matter? For those who prioritize function over looks, this shouldn't be a concern. This is perfect for you if you value a solid, reliable table for everyday use. Skip this one if you prefer brand new products with no signs of wear. Considering the refurbishment, it offers great value and performance. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those seeking high-quality materials. Product number 3: Boxern Benchtop Router Table. Now let's talk about the Boxern Benchtop Woodworking Router Table, priced at $135.70. This caught my attention because of its lightweight yet durable construction. If you're looking for something easy to transport without sacrificing quality, this one's definitely worth a look. The table is made from aluminum and steel, providing a sturdy base while being lightweight enough for DIY environments. The main table size is 17.7 x 13 inches, which gives you a nice workspace for various projects. It's designed for routers with up to a 6-inch diameter base plate, so be mindful of your tools before purchasing. Users have praised its simplicity and effectiveness for basic routing tasks, which is reflected in its clean design. There were a few complaints about compatibility issues with larger routers. Here's my take: if you have standard-size routers, you'll find this table does the job perfectly. But if you're working with larger equipment, you might want to look elsewhere. This is perfect for you if you're a casual woodworker or hobbyist looking for an easy-to-use table. Skip this one if you plan on using larger routers. The value you get here is impressive for the price. Now, if you want something that's built like a tank, let's check out the next option. Product number 4: MUWOOD Router Table. Moving on to the MUWOOD Benchtop Router Table, listed at $240.98. This caught my eye because of its heavy-duty construction and features aimed at serious woodworkers. If you want reliability and performance in your routing tasks, this is a solid option. It has a portable design that uses an easy glide router surface, ensuring you can achieve accurate cuts every time. Users will appreciate the adjustable mounting distance, which adds to its versatility. This table is great for those who want a professional setup without breaking the bank. However, some users have noted that it's not compatible with all motor diameters, which can be a hassle. But honestly, if you double-check your router specs before buying, this shouldn't be an issue. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a durable and portable router table for serious projects. Skip this if you have a variety of router sizes that don't fit the specified range. For serious woodworkers, this table is a great investment. Now, if you're after something designed for mobility and ease of use, let's look at the final product. Product number 5, Trend CRT Portable Benchtop Router Table. Finally, we have the Trend CRT Portable Benchtop Router Table, priced at $341.19. I was drawn to this one because of its robust construction and portability. If you need something that's both stable and easy to transport, this could be your best choice. It features a durable steel frame, which means it can handle shaping and groove work without wobbling. The laminated tabletop is a generous 24 x 16 inches, providing ample workspace for your projects. Plus, the integrated dust port is a great feature for keeping your workspace clean while you work. This table seems perfect for both workshop use and on-the-go projects. However, some users felt that the price might be a bit steep compared to others. Here's my perspective. If you value quality and stability, this is an investment worth making. This is perfect for you if you do a lot of routing work and need something reliable. Skip this one if you're on a tight budget and looking for something more basic. In terms of quality, it's worth the extra bucks. To wrap up, we've seen some great options today, from the budget-friendly KATIPED router insert plate to the professional-grade Trend CRT. Each has its unique strengths, making it crucial to find what fits your needs best. So to recap, we looked at the KATIPED aluminum router insert plate for portability, the Ryoba universal router table for reliability, the Boxern benchtop router table for lightweight construction, the MUWOOD router table for heavy-duty needs, and finally the Trend CRT for stability and portability. Each option has something unique to offer, so consider what fits your projects best. Happy routing!